Yeah, Golden Gate Bridge, baby. Itchy boots, I hope you're proud of me. Same with you, McGregor and Charlie Borman. I hope you're like, wow, yeah, you're cool. Hey guys, so it's 7 in the morning. This is my first episode ever of my new moto series where I travel through different countries. I'm just super excited. It's a bit wet today. This is not what I expected. I was really hoping San Francisco would be just lovely and sunny, but apparently it's the start of the kind of the rainiest season. So yeah, but I'm still really excited. Just going to pick up the bike now. And yeah, it should be great. So I've just arrived at where I'm going to rent my motorcycle in San Francisco. It's about 9 o'clock now. And I'm about to head off. I'm going to go over the Golden Gate Bridge and then head up to Fort Bragg. So it should take me most of the day today. It's quite a long journey, but I'm super excited about it. It is a bit wet today, so a little bit nervous about that because apparently it's really oily on the road because it's the first time it's really rained like this year apparently. So yeah, but we'll see what happens. I'm sure it'll be fine. Woohoo! And I've left. Right, now I've got to get used to the bike because this feels really, really weird. Oh man, I have not ridden in a little while, so this feels very new. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hope just everything's working and yeah, here we go. Oh, flipping out. Oh shit. Shit, there we go. Alright, here we go. Getting used to the bike, that's better. I knew I'd stall it. Oh shit. I'll get into neutral. Okay. Stalled it a couple of times now. Not great. Is it, do I go? Sorry, am I going? Sorry, do I go? Cheers. Thank you. I'm a bit new to the whole bike system. Cool, it's so weird when you haven't ridden a bike in a while. Cool. This is still so unnatural. But it is coming back to me. It is coming back to me, which is great. God, I've been riding my Africa Twin DCT for such a long time, but I haven't had it for like a couple of years now, so this is like a complete refresh, especially on like a different bike. Yeah, it just feels really, really weird. Especially driving in straight away in the States. Oh, God, that clutch is just a nightmare. It's leading me up here for some reason. God, I don't know if I want to go up there, do I? This is a good start. This is really, really steep. Why the hell is it going up here? Whoa, God, this is so steep. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, I haven't done a road like this ever. Is that right? Have I gone through? Oh shit, sorry. I hope I'm getting this right. I did cross onto the wrong side of the road just for a second, but that was as I was making a turn. So I hope that driver forgives me. I hope no one caught me doing something like that. It's so stupid. Another hill. Oh my gosh. Cool. I'm starting to relax a little bit more now. Now the ride's underway. I think, yeah, it's getting a little bit easier, but I've still got to learn so much about the American road system. It's just, yeah, there's so many little differences which make it challenging. I don't think I've been this focused on anything in all my life. Like, it's just so different. So especially when you're driving on the other side of the road. Can't see where that is. Oh, it's there. Just the fire department. Right, it's getting a little bit breezy now, so I'm just going to shut my helmet and just have my fingers crossed everything's all good. Right. Cool, green lights all the way, that's how I like it. I'm like Bruce Almighty. Right, I think this looks like I might be going over the Golden Gate Bridge now. It's weird because this like 35 miles an hour feels really fast, but that's because I just haven't been riding for so long, I think. Definitely starting to wish I'd had more than that iced coffee at McDonald's, because most of that was ice. Don't order an iced coffee again, that's the advice I have for you guys. God, this is great, this is so much fun. This is why I'm doing this, definitely. Definitely going to have to pull over in a minute because my eye is killing me. Whatever that is, it really hurt. Here we go, picking up a bit of speed now. That car's out of the way. Yeah, Golden Gate Bridge, baby! Wow, itchy boots, I hope you're proud of me. Same with you, McGregor and Charlie Borman. I hope you're like, wow, yeah, you're cool. They're a couple of my heroes right there. Oh, it's absolutely freezing. I definitely needed some longer socks. Damn it, the one day it's all misty up here. God, I can imagine this would be so beautiful in the sunlight. I cannot see the Golden Gate Bridge at all. This definitely makes me think I should do this all again another day. Okay, put it into neutral. Off. Okay, well hey, did it. Oh, that went pretty well. Can't see anything now. Oh, wow. Nothing to see. Definitely going to have to come back and do this again now. Maybe I'll do it on the way back. Oops. Okay, we're off again. Let's do this. Holy. It's exciting, but it is really nerve-wracking, especially if you haven't been on a bike in a while. I bet Norley's done this so many times, like it's just nothing to her now, but yeah, again, she's riding bikes all the time. Like for me, this is just such a big deal. Just, yeah, you need a bigger bike than this really. This is just too small. I can't remember what it is. Is it's like a 400 or something? Oh God, it's not handling the wind at all. There's no like windshield or anything. I feel like I'm about to be knocked right off. Epic soundtrack, initiate. Well, I have to say it's absolutely freezing. Well, I'm cold anyway. Cool, it is misty today. Cool, I can imagine this in the sun would be incredible. Cool, that view, just amazing. That was a good shot. Maybe I should have taken a shot from there. Yeah, I think it's going pretty well now. I'm so much more relieved. I think now I can see that I'm going to arrive on time as well. I was a bit worried that like this trip might take all day and I might not make it, and it'd be dark and that, but I think looking at the timings, I think I'm going to make it okay. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, bugs. Oh, it's getting really, really cold now. Yeah, I'm absolutely freezing. Yeah, I think today I'll have done, I can't even remember, it's like 200 miles or something maybe altogether today. So yeah, not too bad. I think I've done quite well, really. My arse is definitely starting to feel it right now, so hope you guys are appreciating this right now. Yeah, definitely. I think the one thing I regret not doing is bringing more layers. It's really, really cold out here actually. Like driving up to Seattle, yeah, I had no idea. I thought, oh my gosh, California, it's lovely and sunny all year round. And to be fair, I mean, you know, the internet and that said it was going to be lovely. It said it was going to be just beautiful weather, and I think the weather has just turned. Like, yeah, so I hope the rest of the week's going to be a lot sunnier than this, but yeah, I don't want to put any money on it, you know. I think if it's really, really cold, I might turn around and go to like Los Angeles or something, and maybe where it's a bit warmer. But we'll see. I think I'll have a little look at the weather tonight and just make a decision on that. But yeah, right now it's very, very cold. Cool, really starting to feel it now. It's 20 past 3. and it says I'm going to make it to Fort Bragg in 2 hours. So yeah, still a long way away. How many miles is that? 80 miles I've got to still do on this road, which is just crazy. It's just absolutely stunning. Yeah, this is what the kind of America that I imagined, really, and that I've seen, and yeah, I've been dying to kind of capture this, really. Well, I've just taken a few minutes break just because I'm just so exhausted. Like, it's just been so full on today, but I've only got less than a couple of hours to go now, so I've just got to make it to the end, and then I can have a nice night's sleep and then decide what I want to do tomorrow. Yeah, I feel like I'm chipping away at the journey now. I've only got a little bit longer left, so yeah, that's really, really positive, because yeah, I'm just absolutely shattered. Like, I don't know how people can do motorcycling all day. It's exhausting. Like, my arse is super numb right now, so So, I've just been stung in the face by a wasp. Yeah, that really hurt. I could feel something, like it was just really painful, and then yeah, I could then just see it inside my helmet, and I was like, oh, what the hell is this? But yeah, that really stung. So I've tried to kind of like get it out, or whatever it's, you know, putting me. But that was really sore. So yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll keep an eye on it, but yeah, I can feel how sore that feels now. So anyway, I got it out, but yeah, it was really dangerous, because yeah, I couldn't concentrate on the road or anything. So anyway, oh well, nearly there. Right, let's try this again.
Next time on my adventure.